Hello everyone. On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab E. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume up button, home button, and power button. First, hold the volume up button, now the home button, and finally the power button until the Samsung logo appears, and release all buttons. Now wait until the Android recovery screen pops up. Do you have old devices not being used at home? Trade them in for cash at swapsmart.com. It's quick and easy. When the Android recovery screen appears, use the volume down button to navigate to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button to select. Navigate to yes by pressing the volume down button and confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.